Hello everybody.
All right guys, I don't know what was going on with my camera here, but excuse how terrible the quality is. I promise it gets better when we get into the lookbook. Okay, let's go.
So today I am back with another lookbook, but today's lookbook is gonna be special because My Chemical Romance is back together and we're gonna do basically a grown-up emo kid makeup lookbook. What? No, we're gonna do a grown-up emo kid fashion lookbook. So this is all gonna be alternative inspired. This is all gonna be inspired by outfits that I either wish I could have worn when I was an emo kid or outfits that I did wear when I was an emo kid, but it's all gonna be grown up and cute and trendy. And I tried to reuse a couple pieces and make it all like relatively easy to find stuff and nothing that's gonna be super crazy expensive. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Super stoked that my chem is back together, and in celebration we're just gonna do a ton of emo content. Why not? Also, if you guys are wondering, this look is a tutorial. It is an grown-up emo kid makeup tutorial, so it is up on my channel already potentially, or this video is going up and then that one. Either way, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and click the notifications button so that you don't miss out on any emo content. So without further ado, let's get started with look number 1.
Okay guys, look number 1 is the closest to what I actually wore when I was an emo kid, when I was like a 19-year-old emo kid. So we are doing a classic MCR sweater, some short shorts, fishnets, boots, and socks, and a beanie. I literally wore this outfit all the time. Example. This is an outfit I used to wear all the time when I worked at Hot Topic. It's a little bit of like a weather confused outfit, and you could definitely do a bunch of different things. You could even do jeans with the fishnets poking through, but it's just so classic and fun. You could also pair it with a crop top for the summer. Next, we're doing a oversized t-shirt. This is a Broken Promises men's tee with a little bit of a fishnet top underneath. This belt that I got from Hot Topic, and I got these shoes from Hot Topic, and again, some fishnets. This is a very different outfit for me. It's not something that I would normally put together, but I really, really like it. I think it's edgy with a little bit of girly. This is definitely an outfit that when I was young, I would see another girl wearing it and be like, oh my God, I want to look like her. So I put a little outfit like that together. I just added a little bit of a pant chain. The pant chain is, I think, from Forever 21, just to add an extra element of metal. Literally, actually metal. Next is my favorite outfit. When I was 14, 15, 16, I wanted to be Avril Lavigne. So this is my Avril Lavigne inspired outfit. We just have a plain, like racerback tank top, some cargo pants. These are from Zumiez, they're Rothcos. The same looped belt that I got from Hot Topic. A pant chain, again from Forever 21 or Spencer's. Then I actually have a pant chain as a necklace and some classic Chuck Taylors. This is literally my favorite outfit of the lookbook. I love it so much. It's so easy, so simple, and just so edgy and classic. I love it. It's such an effortless outfit. Oh, this outfit literally makes me feel so good. Next is a very basic outfit. I actually wore this to work today and it was so comfortable. I'm just wearing a striped long sleeve. I think it's from Deluth, an old A Day to Remember shirt. These jeans from Forever 21. These are the Westwood mom jeans from Forever 21. They are so stretchy, so comfortable, and I get so many compliments on my butt in these jeans. I did attach a little bit of a butt patch to them. We're wearing the same boots. These ones are just classic boots. I think they're just from Fred Meyer. They're just like knockoff Doc Martens, and the same belt. Again, super easy, really effortless, everyday, classic emo outfit. I love it. Next and last is a little bit dressier. Again, one of those outfits that if I saw this outfit like at a concert, I would be like, oh my God, I want to grow up and wear this outfit. So that's exactly what I did. We're wearing the same mesh shirt. I just got this from Target. This is a denim jacket that I got from Forever 21 forever ago. Just wearing a bra underneath. You could always wear a crop top. These are skinny jeans from Forever 21. The same pant chain that I've been wearing. You can see a little MCR butt patch on these jeans. And then again, the same chunky heels from Hot Topic. Again, a little bit dressier, but still edgy and fun. Good concert outfit. And I just felt like an emo queen in that outfit. But you guys, that's it for my lookbook. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!